Hey y'all, this is my first introduction video. I hope you are all so excited for the school year. I can't believe it'll be Monday before we know it. The week has gone by so quick. The purpose of this YouTube channel is I will be using this channel to kind of serve to you all as a platform to showcase different strategies and tools that you can incorporate in your classroom. Sometimes we want to find a really cool tool, but then we get overwhelmed when we go on sites like Pinterest or Teachers Pay Teachers or whatever it may be that you like to use. I will be using this as a kind of a place to show you how to use it. I'll be using Screencast-O-Matic to kind of show you through the computer of how to navigate through different strategies and tools that you can easily incorporate in your classroom. And the reason being too is that way you can look at these videos at your own pace and your own schedule, because I understand that we are all busy people, so you can kind of fit it into your time schedule, and then also based on topics that you're interested in, you can adjust it to your needs. So I hope you all enjoy, and I look forward to collaborating with you this year. If there's anything throughout the school year where you're like, hey Alexis, I really want to know about a form of common assessment for science that isn't technology, but maybe is kinesthetic, like building a life-size human cell. Can you give me those resources and tools and how I can find that? Or maybe you are a social studies teacher and you want to do an innovative interdisciplinary lesson that deals with recycling while teaching World War II. I will also be providing different websites where you can learn about different initiatives like those offered by the World War II Museum out of New Orleans. So I'm going to provide different strategies and tools for all classes, but also different resources again for you all, regardless of your content area. If you have any questions, let me know. And then also on my emails I send weekly, you can contact me through email or also set up an appointment through my calendar if you'd like to meet one-on-one. So yay, have a good night, and I look forward to just learning from each other this year. Good night.